Morning. Daisy. Above. Above. Letter A. Apple. D. Boy. Letter C. K. D. Duck. N. E. A.
What's that? What's that? What's that? This one, this one. What letter is this?
Fish.
Fish. Oh, okay. Oh, that one.
D.
Mm,
Rex.
very good. Mm.
D.
No, H. As in? What's that?
Honeycomb.
Very good. Oh, what letter is that?
I. Okay.
Hmm?
Wow.
Wow.
Mm.
Mm. Okay, next one.
Syrup.
Syrup. Okay. Next.
Mm. Letter Giraffe. G. K. Key.
What letter is that, Adi? What letter is that?
I mean,
What letter is that?